If you want to reset app lock password on Motorola Edge 70, there is a little trick that will help you access locked apps and to reset the password. So what you can do is you can go to settings, and over here we're gonna go to security and privacy. Next you want to go to device unlock, and then we're gonna go to face and fingerprint unlock. Now in this case you will need to enable this option, verify it's you in apps. So you need to have the fingerprint set up, for example, or the face unlock, I suppose. In my case, I've been using fingerprint for that. So when we enable the fingerprint for verifying ourselves in apps, then in that case, now we can go back to settings and open apps. Next, we're gonna go to the app lock, and you should be able to use your fingerprint, the same one that you use, of course, to unlock your phone. After that, tap on the setting icon on the right side, and you can choose to reset the app lock, or you can try to switch to a different password, just like that. So you don't even have to reset the app lock, you can just simply go to primary unlock method and just use that. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.